Iron levels follow a normal distribution. Lower than normal hemoglobin levels indicate anemia. The normal hemoglobin range is generally defined as being within 2 standard deviations of the mean. To diagnose iron deficiency anemia, a doctor may run some tests to determine the iron level. Use the empirical rule to answer the following questions. So it says here the mean hemoglobin for women is 14. Okay, so 14 is going to go in the center. This is the mean. It always goes in the center. And then it goes on to say that each standard deviation is 1.2. So going this way, I'm going to keep adding 1.2 for each of the standard deviations. And then going this way, I'm going to subtract 1.2 going this way to the left. So if the normal range is within 2 standard deviations, so 2 standard deviations, that would be from the center out to this way and to this way. So everything that I'm highlighting in green here is considered normal. Down here, let me change colors. Down here would be low iron. And then let's use a different color. Let's use yellow. And then up here would be high iron. The question is asking for the hemoglobin level for women that would be considered low iron. The cutoff for the low iron is right here because we said normal range is within 2 standard deviations. So the cutoff point is 11.6 GDLs. So in here, you would put 11.6 GDLs. Now, this percentage of where the low iron is, if I take 0.15% and 2.35%, this total area under the curve in that pink area is 2.5%. So this tells me about 2.5% of women have below normal levels for iron. So that allows us to answer the second part of this question. If a sample of 100 women were taken, approximately how many women would you expect to have anemia? Well, we know the percentage of women would be approximately 2.5. Since they said they're doing this out of 100 women, I want to take 2.5% of 100, since there's a total of 100 in this study. So if I take 2.5% of 100, that's 2.5. And then it says round to the nearest whole number. Since we're talking about people here, we want to make sure that we have whole people. So we're going to round up and we're going to say approximately 3 women out of this group of 100 is going to have low iron.